Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on all social media, Hair Gynesis. The client desired look will be achieved with African pony central braid, wild hair growth oil, hair clips and combs and shears. One can be natural, straight or curly hair texture, as this style is to protect your natural hair. Now the best resort for me personally is to perform individual braids in the back because it lasts longer and the hairstyles are more flexible. Plus, the first part area of a person getting sweat is around the perimeter of the head. For example, the nape back area, so individuals will actually lock and hold the braids in place better. This style lasts up to 3 months, and the older it gets, the better it looks. Yes, you can shampoo and condition your scalp for cleanliness. The super best result is TreeBraids for hair, skin, and nails, or dry shampoo, which I retail for $15 on my website. Isn't she beautiful? Flawless. I so love to see that my braids looks just like extensions. There's no weft, no tracks, no glue. This is all cornrows and individual braids. Now this is the same central braid but a more fuller and a longer look. As you can see, it is great for all workouts, all occasions, everything. Flawless. Don't forget to book me now as I travel as well, but I'm mainly in Atlanta, Miami, and the DC area. HairGynesis.com.